Hello guys, this is Wonderbit Trading, and we carry on with our new series of providing you with a free Tradingview script strategy which we can convert into alerts and you can automate it on Wonderbit Trading. So this week we find you another strategy. This week's strategy is provided to us by Koi Capital, and it's called the Forex Master version 4.0, so it is primarily used for Forex pairs. However, we decided to check it because it provided quite a nice backtest results. So that's why we decided to look into it and to see whether we can apply it for our BTC pair. Looking through the script, we realized that it's a version 4, so it's quite an old one, so we would have to renew it. And at the same time, we were looking from the point of indicators, so what was used in this strategy in particular. And it looks like we are using primarily two of them. So the Bollinger's bands with the standard deviation and the multiplier, and the DMI indicator, which is coded over here. So we applied this code to the BTC perpetual. We changed few things here and there. We tried several time frames, several pairs, but on the BTC perpetual on FTX exchange, the 30-minute time frame is very good. Let's just look at the strategy backtest. So we were able to get very similar results to what the offers do in terms of the Euro-USD pair. The percentage profitable rate is 67%, which is quite good, with just a maximum drawdown of 6.94%, and the average trade is quite good, which brings the profit factor above 2. At the same time, what we added to this particular strategy, as usual, is the FTX commission, which we have to take into consideration while we're running our bots. We updated it to the version 4, so we created our own MDI indicator. And at the same time, we converted the long take profits and long stop losses into the percentage change. Now, the major thing that we think is absolutely vital for the strategy testing is the period in which you test the strategy. So we added this as well for your convenience. So you would be able to check how this strategy is performing on a monthly basis. If you're interested in that, we already produced the monthly results, and here they are on the BTC perpetual 30 minutes. You can definitely see that out of the whole year and a bit, there was just one negative month, which is November 2019. As usual, we created the alerts as well for you, so you can see that they totally match the actual strategy. Both the strategy script and the alert script will be provided to you in the comments below this video, and at the same time you would be able to play with the strategy the way you want and then just change the parameters in the alert script, so your bot will be triggered based on these parameters that you select. Please try different pairs, try different time frames, keep on trading, and best of luck with your trading.